That's the one I saw on Facebook and there's a cat on it.
There's a cat on it? Go see what it's doing. Mom, you don't have to do that anymore.
No, I want to bring it to it and see what it does. I'll find it out. What the heck? Look at Aaron. That's what the girls were talking about. Cindy was saying.
What?
Oh, last night?
She's saying you need to get a something something.